And it goes a little something like.
Good morning guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Ashley and I'm so happy to have you here with me today. Today I am doing a day in my life as an esthetician, but bridal makeup artist style. I am currently, look at my mess. I'm such a mess. It is 7:20 in the morning. But I just got this really cute jacket. It's like a shacket. You probably can't even see because it's so dark out still. But it's kind of like a velvet flannel and it's really long. It doesn't have any pockets. It's really long. It's really cute. So I'm gonna wear that today. Then I just have Gymshark leggings on and a black tank top. I gotta go though. So I'm gonna like kind of make my bed, but Bentley's on it. Oh, you don't want me to? I'll like kind of just throw it like this. I'm probably gonna hop back in it when I get back. Just for a little bit. Good morning. Say hello. It's early morning. This is too early for you. I'm thinking for shoes, maybe these. A little cheetah moment. Let's see. Cute. Yeah, I'll wear these. And then I just put my hair in a braid. So it's kind of gross, but I wanted to still be cute. So hopefully it's alright. And then I need to go. So I'm gonna grab my wedge and my water bottle. Alright, let's hit the road. It is in Huntley, which is an hour away. I will see you guys in the car. Okay, this morning is a little crazy because I am dropping him off at my mom's house because I'm picking up my dad's car and switching my car out for his car because my car has a recall. I don't know if anybody else who has a Honda Kona, who has a Honda Kona is dealing with this right now, which is really annoying. So I don't feel like driving an hour away with this car. So I'm gonna drive with my dad's. But yeah, right, Bentley? Do you see him back there? But yeah, I'm driving there now. And then I have to hit the road because this wedding is an hour away. Which is... The camera is moving, which is kind of far, but that's okay. Yeah. Also, someone was watching over me this morning because I woke up and my phone was not plugged in and it was at 10%. So like my phone could have died and then I wouldn't have woken up to my alarm clock. I would have missed this wedding and I would be so, yeah, a word I'm not even gonna say. All right, switch to my dad's car, on my way. All right, 40 minutes. Like, it's so pretty.
It's sunny at most days. You'll never see the sky if you keep looking down. And if you take the wrong way, then maybe you should stay instead of turning around. So but you keep on going. I know that you're in the open, hoping that you'll be okay. Don't stay looking out.
Okay, I don't even know if you guys can see me. I just finished. Weddings are just something else. And now I need to figure out how the hell to get out of here because I struggled to get in here. So bad, so bad. I should have followed her. Let me get my maps. Okay, so I'm driving. Oh, I'm driving to my mom's house now, and I have another makeup at the studio at 4 o'clock, so I'll have to leave. And like, apparently all the painting is done at the studio, which is good. So I'll have to show you guys. Okay, now time to set this up. I have a makeup application.
Do you plan on going nowhere? Afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going nowhere? Afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care.
Let's go check out the suite. Oh my gosh, guys. It's painted. Okay, and trimmed actually, which is good. Oh my gosh, okay. Oh my god, beautiful. Whoa. It looks like a totally different space. To be honest, like, oh my god, I love the black. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna take some pictures. Hold on. Okay, makeup application is done. Just checked her out. And now I need to clean everything up. This is the worst part. I'm showing you guys like the realest video today. Oh, just so much going on. Okay, let me clean up. Let me close my chair.
What if I wake up happy? And what if I wake up sad? Sorry if I said something that made you mad.
Okay, so I need to clean my airbrush. So what I do is usually take some type of brush cleaner. First I get the excess put out.
That's all I want.
Excess makeup. I throw that away. Then I take some type of cleaner. Luckily I have my cleaner here at the salon.
I want is you.
And then do a little backwash.
It takes two. All I want is you. Tell me, does a flower in the shade ever feel a little jealousy? Does it ever go away? All I want is you to answer me right now. Just dance with me right now. Just dance with me right now. When I wake up, you're not next to me. Guess I'm missing all your energy. That's all I want. That's all I want. Promise I am not your enemy. I just need another memory. That's all I want. 'Cause all I want is you. Is you. It takes two. 'Cause all I want is you. Is you. It takes two. All I want is you.
Clean the rest of my day. Alright. I am out of here. Thank God. Finally time to go home. Labor Day weekend. I have 2 days off now. Thank God. Those in there. Got my makeup. Got my chair. Put my chair out here. Okay. And I'm out.
Were you?
The show is so good.
Yes.
It's called Clickbait. Also, don't mind the mess.
Because of that guy.
But I'm finishing up the night. Just watching this really good
Sophie,
show.
Look at me.
I gotta put you guys on.
Yeah, just leave it.
But good night, guys. It's been a long day.
You're
I'm tired.